Hi guys, I had previously cooked this pumpkin for a different recipe, and I decided that instead of wasting the seeds, I would use them to make roasted Suya-Spiced pumpkin seeds. And Suya-Spice is located throughout all of West Africa. It's very peanutty and very spicy, absolutely delicious. So I thought it would be a good mix for this. So once I've taken out the seeds from the pumpkin, I'm just going to go ahead and separate them from little bits of pumpkin skin, and it's going to take a while, so you should have some patience here while you do this. And then when I'm finished, I'm just going to go ahead and wash the seeds and dry them, and then I'm going to place them on a cookie sheet and spread them out evenly on the sheet. Now I've preheated my oven to 250 degrees, and I'm going to sprinkle some salt and some olive oil on here, about a teaspoon of olive oil, several pinches of salt. Just mix it really well. I'm going to stick it in the oven for about 1 hour, and then when it comes out, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to sprinkle it again with olive oil, and then I'm going to add my Suya-Spice, and you can find Suya-Spice in any African market in the country. So go ahead and sprinkle that on there and put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then you are done. It's a very delicious and protein-packed snack to be enjoyed at any time of the day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.